if you're looking for a cutting board that's easy to clean and built to last, you need to check out these titanium cutting boards. They come in a set of 3, so there's 3 different sizes: large, medium, and the small one. The different size options are great, so when I'm preparing dinner or just preparing a snack, I can easily grab one of these. I absolutely love how thin they are, so they're barely taking up any space in my kitchen. And of course, the biggest difference between these cutting boards and your traditional wood or plastic ones is the material. These are made out of titanium, and they're all one solid piece, so there's nothing that is glued or sealed together, so you don't have to worry about them separating over time. The surface is smooth and not porous, so you don't have to worry about it absorbing anything, which also means they're not going to go bad, they're not going to stain, and they're not going to retain any of your food smells. And of course, one of the best parts is that they are dishwasher safe, so when you're finished using it, you can just pop it right in your dishwasher and don't have to worry about any scrubbing or messy cleanup. They each have a built-in handle, which makes them easy to grab and hold, especially because of how thin they are. And you can also hang them if you prefer, to save space in your cabinets. So overall, if you're looking for a durable quality cutting board, I highly recommend checking these out. This titanium cutting board set is a fantastic option for anyone. So thank you so much to the brand for sending these to me so that I could share them with you.